How may I help you, sir?
Hello?
How may I help you?
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you.
Hi, I got a call saying that I owe some money to the IRS.
Hello?
Hi, I got a call saying that I owe some money to the IRS.
Oh, really?
You're breaking up a little bit. Hold on one second.
Internal Revenue Service, can I help you?
Hi there. This is Officer Doug McKenzie calling from the Canadian IRS Service. Actually, we have a person here that said they got a phone call from you. Just need to answer a couple questions here. Hold on one second.
Hey, Officer Doug, how are you? What are you doing, man?
Hello, it has been detected that you are a scammer. Because of this, we are now flooding your phone lines.
And how much did I owe? Scammers, come to bargain. You can hang up, but I will call again and again and again forever. That makes you my prisoner.
Forever and ever and ever, amen.
Hello, it has been detected that you are a scammer.
Hi.
Your call is very important to us. Please stay on the line and you'll be transferred to the next available agent.
And his name is John C.
Are
Hello,
you done?
it has been detected.
Internal Revenue Service, how may I help you?
Hi.
Who am I speaking with?
And his name is John.
Hey, fucker, how can I help you?
Hi, I got a call saying that I owe some money to...
Hold on, I gotta get out of this guy's way.
Hold on one second.
What?
Hello, it has been detected that you are a scammer. Because of this...
I just want to lick your fucking pussy, stand like a fucking shit, and win like a fucking bitch. You hear me, Doc? Hello.
Oh, hi. Yeah, someone said I had to get an iTunes gift card to pay off my taxes. I'm not sure how that works, but I've got a code here. Is that okay?
Fuck you.
IRS Investigation Department. How may I help you today?
And his name is John C.
Is that okay?
No.
Thank you for calling IRS Investigation Department.
Yeah, someone said
suck
I
my
had
dick,
to
alright?
get an iTunes
Yeah,
gift card.
Suck my dick.
Taxes.
Yeah, I will let you
I'm
go.
not sure how that
No,
works.
I don't
but
give a
I've got
fuck,
a code
alright?
here. Is that okay?
Well, you fuck face, you dick face, suck a dick, alright? I feel like I'm gonna come in your face. I feel like
Can I just give you the code number?
I'm gonna shit in your face.
Okay, cool.
You're gonna
I've
keep
got
my
it
shit.
right here. It's
You don't like my shit, you can suck my dick.
B. So it's X-ray.
Suck my dick and lick my balls.
2376.
Lick my balls.
J for Juliet, N for November, 72, W for Whiskey, L for Lima, F for Foxtrot, S for Sierra, so XXBB 2376, JN72WLFS. Yeah, so is that okay? Is it paid off now? Because yeah, I just really don't want to get into any more trouble with the IRS. So yeah.
So you don't want to get trouble with
scammers.
Hello, it has been detected that you are a scammer.